Good evening, it's Patricia of Pulse Nutritional, and I'm happy to bring you some very brief announcements on some of our flagship products. One of them, which I've spoken about many times before here, is the Jenny Kanoko. Jenny Kanoko is the GCP genistein combined polysaccharide, which has been used at Columbia Presbyterian, tested at Duke University, used at Strang, used at Winthrop. It's a wonderful product which is all natural, doctor invented, and as quoted by Dr. Katz, it can actually attack and kill a PC3 cell cancer line, prostate cancer. So quite a phenomenal product. So I would like you to go on my site, www.pulsenutritional.com, and read more about it. And also, we are still maintaining the best price on the internet for this product. It's not an inexpensive product, but it's a wonderful product and has wonderful results for a myriad of men. It is at $101.25 on our site. Normally retails for $135. And if you look around, you will find from all sorts of large retailers to people that are well-known companies for supplements as well as doctors, range from 125, I think 110 maybe the lowest I've seen it, to 125 to 135 and higher. So we're very proud to still have a wonderful price on this product for you. And it is very synergistic with our Immunokinetico, or AHCC, which is Googled more than 300,000 times a month, AHCC, because it's for everyone, including myself and everyone who wants to keep their natural killer cells up and healthy. The AHCC will actually help modulate those killer cells, natural killer cells in your body, which are part of your white subset, which is responsible for going after tumor cells, cancer cells, viruses, parasites, etc. So even in the winter, people use this as something to help them deal with not coming down with colds, flus, etc. So a wonderful, wonderful immune product that is also all natural, biochemist and doctor invented, and award-winning. So can't beat that. I also wanted to make mention of our, and it does not come in this bottle any longer. This is a consumer line brand of our sustained release coenzyme 10. And we now have the Unisorb 10. We also have, I think there might be the consumer line still on there, but exact same product. It is the crystalline form of coenzyme 10. It is highly bioavailable, much better than a soft gel or a powder. Powder would be the least effective, soft gel next. Crystalline form, the best, which is this. And because it's sustained release, you only take one per day, as opposed to many where you have to take 1, 2, and sometimes 3 a day, depending upon whether you're a heart patient. For myself, who wants to just keep your heart healthy and your lungs oxygenated and your energy flowing from cell to cell in the body, because coenzyme 10 does that, conducts energy from cell to cell, 1 per day is enough of a crystalline form, because that would be equal to, well, 3 times stronger than a powder, if not more so. So 1 a day is plenty for the average person. Someone with a heart condition, lung condition, etc. should consult their doctor. I don't want to give that advice out because I don't know all the details of everyone's situation unless they call me. Femmenol, well, people have had a debate about the same, including myself. Femmenol is actually nothing but pure Neptune krill oil. Very effective at balancing hormones. However, it is also, first and foremost in my mind, really advantageous for heart health, number 1. And you'll hear that from many famous doctors on television all the time. Krill oil is the best. Neptune krill oil is the best for your heart. Better than omega-3, pure omega-3 or 6 or 9, because it is much purer and it is much more bioavailable and it is just downright better. It does have some omega-3 quality to it. Read about it on my web. You'll understand more. To go into it too now would be too long. But the krill oil is from the little crustaceans that feed on the plankton in the Antarctic, and this krill oil has been touted by a very famous doctor on television as well as many others as being superior to fish oil, and it is. So check that out. We also have it in Omega PL for you men who are very resistant, and I don't blame you, to buying a product called Femmenol. However, you will receive more in a bottle of Femmenol than you will in the bottle of Omega PL. So if you don't mind the name, it's the Neptune krill oil, pure Neptune krill oil in either product. So if I were to market this, but I did not, Quality of Life Labs did, and I do like them very much, obviously, or I wouldn't be partnership with them. I probably would have called it Krillisol or Krillinol or something that denoted it could be used by men and women, not just Femmenol, because it really can be used by both. So there you have it. I just wanted to go through 4 products today. It was a very busy week so far, and it's only the middle of the week, but I want to go through those products with you and invite you to please visit www.pulsenutritional.com. We are here not only to give you these high quality, award-winning nutraceuticals, but we are here to answer any questions you may have, from cholesterol to cancer to immune enhancement to weight loss to hormone balancing to heart health to bone health. Bone Cal, wonderful product that we have with K1 in it. Ceracort for weight loss, which is all natural and sells widely because of its wonderful effect for most women and men. Metasol, fantastic anti-aging product, which yes, I do take. And yes, I am over 60. And yes, I have not had plastic surgery, and I don't intend to, at least not in my foreseeable future. But I do credit some of these products, such as Metasol, Femmenol, Immunokinoko, or in my case, Immunocomplex. I do credit them with how I look. I of course attribute it to diet and exercise as well, and genetics. But people don't realize that genetics, although people always say, well, look at your parents and look at the genetics in your family, that is scientifically, when I researched it, under 10% is really hereditary. Now, other things could be more than 10% hereditary, such as mood, as far as people who have been have mood issues, sinus issues, migraine issues can be handed down quite easily from generation to generation. As far as how you look and how your DNA, since it's so specific to every person in a family, no, we can't say that, because, and yes, my dad does look fantastic at almost 92, and my mom looks wonderful too at almost 86. And their skin is wonderful. Can I look at them and say that is the reason? I could, and part of me does. But I also know that eating properly, exercising, in my case dancing, walking, running, hiking, and underwater swimming when it gets a chance, is much more the answer, as well as some of these wonderful products that are behind me and that I've just shown you that are very instrumental. We do not carry your typical supplements like, say, biotin, which I like for hair and skin and nails. D3 is in a lot of our things, so you can research that and see if that's applicable to you. But we carry unique things like the Immunokinoko, which is AHCC, very popular across the country into Europe and award-winning, and the Immunocomplex, which has OptiZinc in it, Fast-C, Endographs, Astragalus, and AHCC. So it's like a multivitamin almost for some people, especially throughout the winter. We do have unique products, and I think that's what really sets us apart. And I do also like to say that my consultation is gratis, always has been for 14 years, to anyone who wants to pick my brains about whatever it is they need to know and what is right for them. I'll be more than happy to, and I've done this many times in the past, speak to them about what I think is right for their particular situation, whether it be blood sugar, cholesterol, blood pressure, weight loss, immune enhancement, bone density, etc. Memory, we have Cogni-Q, outperforms Aricept, all natural again. There are so many things to discover at pulsenutritional.com. So I am glad to bring you this very impromptu video. It's Wednesday. It is September 13th, and we have a couple of more days left to the work week. And I wish you a very happy, healthy, wonderful rest of the week. If I can help you, as I said, give a call or you can email me. There's a little email strip at the bottom of my web, patricia@pulsenutritional.com. Any questions you may have, even if they're just short, simple, email me. And yes, we do ship to Europe, to Australia, England, Israel, also into Canada, of course, and Puerto Rico. We also ship to, we're adding a few other countries. We're adding Italy, Japan, France. We already have. But we'll be adding a few countries every several months because a lot of these products are not highly available in Europe or Asia. So while the customs charge may be high, I find many people still come and buy them off my site that cannot get them in Europe and Asia. So we continue to grow and we are very pleased about that. So once again, thank you for listening. Have a wonderful, wonderful week and stay healthy, happy as always. Thank you. Bye.